Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting laptop to review, and if you're into research work, you're in for a treat. We're talking about the Lenovo V15 laptop, which we believe is the best laptop for research work available in the market. Stick around to find out why. Let's jump right into it. This is the Lenovo V15 laptop, and it's packed with features that make it ideal for researchers. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. First, let's take a look at the specs of this powerhouse. It boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which provides sharp and vibrant visuals for your research materials. And what's under the hood is equally impressive. With a whopping 16 GB of high-bandwidth RAM and a lightning-fast 512 GB PCIe NVMe M2 solid-state drive, you can smoothly run multiple applications and have ample space for all your research data. No more waiting around for your laptop to catch up. Now, the real star of the show is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, equipped with 6 cores and 12 threads. It's a beast, beating even the Intel i7-1065G7 in performance. This means you can crunch numbers, analyze data, and run simulations without breaking a sweat. When it comes to connectivity, Lenovo has you covered. You get a variety of ports including USB Type-A, USB Type-C, HDMI, and an RJ45 for fast internet connections. Plus, there's Wi-Fi for when you're on the go. And guess what? Perfect for research and business needs. Now, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, it's black, and it's professional. It's a laptop that means business, and it even has a numeric keypad for those data entry tasks. Oh, and don't forget the HD webcam for virtual meetings and presentations. Okay, here's where we need to be honest. Some users have mentioned that the color accuracy and viewing angles of the screen might not be top-notch, but for research tasks, it gets the job done. You'll appreciate the crisp visuals. Battery life is quite decent too. You can work on this laptop for hours without constantly hunting for a charger. It's reliable and long-lasting. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what some customers are saying about this laptop. One user mentions it's a fast machine, perfect for business tasks, and it's very quiet. However, they did mention that screen color accuracy might not be ideal for content creation. So, there you have it, folks. The Lenovo V15 laptop, an excellent choice for research work, business tasks, and more. It's fast, reliable, and offers great value for money. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you require a laptop that can handle your research demands, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.